Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. But was too late.
Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you another cleaning video. You guys know I love watching these videos, but I also love filming these videos. So yeah, today's Saturday. Basically I am cleaning the house. It got messy. I didn't get to clean Friday. I just took a day to just relax since I've been filming and editing all week. Thought that on Friday I would just sit and relax and really just, have some me time since I'm so busy working all the time. I'm also, when I went to Target to get cleaning supplies, I got this Febreze that I never really used before, but it smells so amazing. It's like linen, so it's like nice to have like bleach or anything in it. So I try to use natural things to clean the house, especially like my favorite line to clean is the Method line, because even 7th Generation is a good line too as well, because it's like the products are like has spearmint, but lavender, like essential oils kind of, and you don't want to clean with stuff that is really too chemically that's gonna hurt your throat. But most of the time I do use bleach though when I'm gonna have those days where I'm gonna really disinfect. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials, and thank you for all the love that you have been showing on my previous videos. I am so thankful and grateful to you guys. So yeah guys, let's just continue. As you can see here, my dog, you have to show her love because she's always watching me when I'm cleaning. She loves, and she just had a bath today too. I should have filmed giving her a bath as well. But yeah, she just had a bath today too, so she knows when I bathe her, I clean the sheet, the covers from the sofa and all that good stuff. So she's like ready to lay on it because she loves to smell things that are nice and clean. So here she's just watching me as usual. She does not leave me alone. She has to be watching everything I do. Like, it's hilarious. She's crazy. She watches everything I do and just watches me the whole time. And then if I move, she also moves because she has to look at me. She is hilarious, guys. Okay guys, excuse the bike that you saw. That was my husband. He just legit just got it and came back from riding his bike, so he puts it there. You already know how men are. They have their punching bags, bicycles, everything. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love when the house is nice and clean. It smells good. I hate clutter. I hate things getting piled up on top of things. I really just don't like that. Bathroom is nice and clean. I love as well the bathroom. I use bleach, which is really good to use in the bathroom to really disinfect the bathroom, guys. So yeah guys, the kitchen's nice and clean. I am just ready to cook and grill out with my husband. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. God bless.